It can be very irritating to try brand new study tips and yet see no results. So today you will learn the fundamentals of improving your grades. Once you put them all in action, I can guarantee you will see improvement. Mindset. Most students are doomed to fail from the beginning due to their defeatist mindset. You could be the best student in the world, but if you think you will fail, then your body will react accordingly and make you fail. What you need to have is a positive growth mindset and realize that you are the only person responsible for yourself. Rather than blaming others for your own mistakes, acknowledge that you are still a beginner and have the hunger to learn more and improve yourself. Start believing in yourself more and stop believing what others think of you. It is okay to be weak, but it is not okay to remain weak because you have untapped potential. Self-care. Self-care is the most neglected aspect of a student who fails or barely passes. Whether that is not having a proper sleep schedule or surviving with only one meal per day, you need to start taking better care of yourself to set up for success. A sharp body is a sharp mind. I'm not saying you need to become a supermodel with a Hollywood physique, but just be healthy in terms of your mind and body. As you take care of yourself more, you will feel better, happier, and more confident, which in turn will ensure that you will get the highest chance of getting better grades. Organization and time management. These two skills are the foundation to successful academic life. Though some people say that they do not require them, there will come a time where the lack of these skills will play a critical role. So it is important that you start mastering them from now. I will make future videos on organization and time management as a student, so subscribe to not miss them out. For now, if you haven't started already, make sure that your notes are organized and your calendar is planned out, so later on you will not panic over anything. Adopt a healthy comparison mindset. There is a massive difference between healthy and unhealthy comparison. Unhealthy comparison is when comparing with others damages your own self-esteem and makes you question your abilities. This is very common among a lot of students where they believe they will never achieve academic success because they think others are simply better and they cannot do anything about it. Healthy comparison is what students need to adopt. They should acknowledge that others are better, but it doesn't mean that they cannot learn and surpass them. Rather than thinking I cannot win, start thinking how can I win. Compare to others and yourself in order to be better, not to be worse. Learn from the people better than you and then surpass them. There is no better feeling than proving to yourself and others how much better you have become. Don't change what works, refine what doesn't work. When learning about new study methods or organizational tips, a lot of students will blindly follow what others do because they think it will benefit them. What they fail to realize is that what works for others will not necessarily work for them. If there is something that works for you, keep it the way it is. Try new ways to understand what might work, but do not blindly follow someone's study methods because we all learn in different ways and at different paces. Try to change what doesn't work for you so that your study arsenal will be without any weak points. Studying will always require improvements, so once you see something doesn't work anymore, try new things and select what best suits you. These are the fundamental tips that will improve your grades. However, if you're specifically looking to finally fix your bad grades and get that 100% that you have always wanted, click here. My name is Saeed and it is my job to make you straight up better.